Today we are sharing some essential tips for improving blood flow and circulation. These are life-changing strategies that are used with patients daily. So stick around for some surprising insights that can make a big difference in your health. Let's dive right in. First up is compression therapy. Compression socks and sleeves work wonders by applying pressure to your legs, helping blood flow back to your heart. It's like clearing a traffic jam. Your heart doesn't have to struggle as much to pump blood. Start with a light compression sock from the store. No need for those expensive doctor-prescribed ones right away. Next, regular movement is key. If you're sitting for long stretches, you're not doing your circulation any favors. Studies show that sitting for 3 hours or more is as bad as smoking. Get up for at least a minute every hour, even if it's just a quick leg pump or walking to the bathroom. Movement helps blood flow and reduces swelling. Number 3. Strength training. Strength training is a powerhouse for your circulation. It helps your blood vessels get stronger, improves nitric oxide production, and promotes better blood flow. You don't need heavy weight. Simple body weight exercises like calf raises or air squats can do wonders. Tip 4. Leg elevation. Elevating your legs above your heart level can reduce swelling and help blood flow. It's an easy habit to add to your daily routine. Massage therapy is another fantastic option. Whether it's using a massage gun, a foot massager, or even skin brushing, massaging your muscles keeps your blood flowing smoothly and reduces inflammation. And finally, warm water soaks with Epsom salts are great for circulation. Warm water relaxes your blood vessels, and the Epsom salts can help reduce inflammation. These are just a few tips to boost your circulation and overall health. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and build up. For more detailed guides and links to our favorite videos, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and here's to better blood flow. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on health and wellness.